Applebee's? I got Applebee's. Uno West. I got a West. I got it. West Terrace. I got a West.
You don't want, lads, you don't want to sell it in one, do you? You haven't got one to sell.
Do you spare tickets?
Tickets?
Spare tickets?
Sorry. All right. What are you doing, John?
Tell you what, Teddy.
Wait, colours, all the souvenirs.
Can you have your tickets ready, please?
There's one guy there on that. Come on, you need it.